Bonjour à tous et bienvenue. Hello and welcome everyone for our fourth lesson of complete free French course for beginners. Today we have a plenty of things for you. You are going to learn how to talk about your family members. Okay, you will discover the names of family members and how to say like I have a brother, I have a sister, and many more. So let's get started. C'est parti, on y va. First of all, a bit of vocabulary. So just repeat after me. First, we have une mère, a mother, un un père, a father, un un frère, brother, une sœur, une sœur, a sister, des des enfants, children, un fils, a son, and the last one is une fille. Now you can well notice with the words like mother, sister, and daughter, we have used une, okay, and the words like père, father, brother, a son, we have used so they are articles. For the feminine nouns, we use une to say a mother or a sister or a girl, a daughter. And when we have a noun masculine, in that case, to say one or a, like a father, a brother, a son, we have to use the article, the masculine one, a, yin, a, parfait. Okay, let's frame some sentences. To say, like, I have a brother, I have a sister. So here I have a verb for you. That's avoir. That means to have. If you want to say I have, you would say j'ai un frère. J'ai un frère. I have a brother. J'ai une sœur. J'ai une sœur. I have a sister. Okay. If you want to frame negative statement, you can say je n'ai pas de frère. Je n'ai pas de frère. I do not have brother. Je n'ai pas de sœur. I do not have sister. Okay. And now look below. Can you say I have children? Do you remember how do we say children in French? How we can say I have children? Okay. Uh, Très bien. J'ai des enfants. J'ai des enfants. I have children. Super. Fantastic. Amazing. Okay. A little bit of grammar now. French grammar is my favorite part. We are going to talk about possessive adjectives. Let's talk about my family using mon, ma, me. Because you know what? Possessive adjectives have gender in French. Mon is used for masculine. It's masculine. So I use mon. It's a nasal sound. Mon. We will talk about that later in the Telegram group with the pronunciation PDF. Huh? Ma is used with feminine one. Okay, ma, mère, my mother. That's a feminine. For the plural, we have mes enfants, my children, because this is a plural one. Okay, feminine or masculine, it doesn't matter. So a tip for you here, you say mon ami, even if ami is feminine. Okay, we should not we should not use ma ami, because in French, in order to have a like nicer pronunciation or the good accent, we say, because it start with a vowel. Okay, a, it's a vowel, and it is starting, though the word is feminine, but because it's starting with a vowel, so we are going to use the same one which we have used with the masculine nouns, like mon père, mon frère, my brother. The same way, mon ami for masculine and mon ami for the feminine one too. We will dive into this a bit further, a bit later. I'm sorry. Okay, so you can repeat after me and write it down. It's very important to write everything we see in the class, and we are mixing a little bit. Um, the first lesson we have been seeing before. Okay, just repeat after me. Okay, so the first one is my father is called Paul. Let's see. Mon père s'appelle Paul. Mon père s'appelle Paul. Your turn. Très bien. Okay, the next one. Ma mère s'appelle Marie. Ma mère s'appelle Marie. My mother's name is Mary. Next. Mon frère s'appelle Tom. My brother calls him or he called himself as Tom or his name is Tom. The last one, ma sœur s'appelle Claire. Ma sœur s'appelle Claire. My sister calls herself as or her name is Claire. Amazing. That's very good work, everybody. Now, a little bit of live exercises you have to complete with the correct words. Let's go. Here's a sentence you have to complete. First one, I have a brother. My brother's name is Pierre. Second one, I have a sister. My sister's name is Julie. So, what are the words, verbs, or expression we have to use in here in order to make a correct sentence? Let's go with the first one. I have a brother. My brother's name is Pierre. Pierre, that's masculine. Next one. I have a sister. My sister's name is Julie. Julie, remember? That is feminine. So, mo, ma for the feminine and me for the plural. Okay, guys, if you feel it's a little bit complicated, it's completely normal to feel overwhelmed a little bit when you are learning a new language. So don't forget after just this lesson to go to the Telegram support group, write everything you can in your notebook, review your notebook every time you can record yourself speaking in French, all these little things that will be very helpful for your improvement. Okay, and yes. Of course, go to the Telegram group, download all the material, do the exercises of grammar, vocabulary, phonetics, write the key sentences in your notebook, and wait for the next lesson. Do not forget to subscribe, like my channel, and if you have any suggestions, you can drop your messages, your comments in the comment box. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. Bonne journée. Bisous, bisous.